Hi, Deacon John Wilson here, Education Enrichment Director for West Angeles Church. Now, I'll have more to say about this later, but I'm really concerned about how my families are getting help now, whether their students are in the right extracurricular activities, etc. So the next few videos are going to be to help parents with that. I will say more about it later, but I know I have a good partner. I don't do too many. Our program doesn't partner with too many people. But one we partner with is Audrey Thompson, who has a wonderful STEM program. They have a great robotics class that's starting. I recommend it highly to your student. You know, that's where jobs are going to be later in AI and other things like robotics and coding. And I think you need to have your youth in programs like that. So let's take a look at that program first. Now, the first program, like I said, is a robotics course. Now, remember, for this robotics course and the drone training course I'm going to tell you about next, look down in the description block below. Just click the link to register your student, and somebody from our organization will get a hold of you. In this robotics class, I've been talking about it for a while on my website, but I see it starts Monday, March 31st to May 17th. It's on Mondays. It's a good night for a class like that. The class is only an hour and 15 minutes. Come on, parents, get your youth in that. It's wonderful. We need to work hard to get our youth back to where they were before the pandemic. You know, math scores are suffering, and the students I've seen in the SAT class are behind in math, behind in science, behind in their writing, their reading comprehension, but yet they're getting grades. And that concerns me for when they go to college. Let's get our kids interested in this kind of stuff early, even middle school. Get them interested in working with robots and doing things with their hands and critical thinking. All right. So that's coming up. Look below. She says there are only 4 spaces left. I think she'll make room for you. Call her up, put that registration form in, get a hold of her. Okay. All right. Next, let's take a look at the drone class. Next, we have the drone course. Must be 16 to 24 years old. It started, but I'm told there's still spaces. They'll teach your student how to be FAA certified or show you how to test to be a drone pilot. It's especially good for 2-year college students. 16 to 24. So there could be young adults who are in college who want to learn this skill. What a great skill, how to professionally fly a drone. It's not just buy one out of the box and fly it. There's getting licensed. It's an FAA Part 107 test prep course included. They said there are only 6 spaces left. Come on, let's get in and get those classes. All right. Right below in the description block, you will find the registration forms for each one of the classes. I really seriously advise you to look at your student situation if they're in college. Let them know about this. I'm going to send it to my college students. Maybe they can get drone certified if they're local in town here. It's a great skill to get. It's going to be in demand in the next, as actually now, from what I hear, commercial flying drones to take pictures and do analysis and surveys is very, very important. God bless you. Thank you very much. Let's get our youth involved and get them interested in building their technical skills. Robotics class, drone class, Audrey Thompson's Engineering Factory. God bless you. Bye-bye now.